Answer the question.
The universe requires correction. After that, the stones serve no purpose beyond temptation.
You murdered trillions.
You should be grateful.
Where are the stones, Father?
Gone. Reduced to atoms.
You used the stones 2 days ago.
I used the stones to destroy the stones. It nearly killed me. But the work is done now. It always will be.
No, they can't be gone.
He's lying.
My father is many things, but a liar isn't one of them.